Good morning, everybody. We're back on the forever job. We've got a lot of rain, and he needs to, our one pad that we built down there, he wants to be able to put his RV there, so we got to get some rock on that. It's gotten muddy, so we're going to roll some fabric out here, get this out to where it makes the truck a little easier, well, makes it easier for everybody to turn around and stay off the mud. And then the corner we extended down there, we got to get some rock on it so we can utilize the whole corner and then his pad. So we'll get some fabric rolled out here and get to it. Yeah, we got it. The seam facing the wrong way for what we're doing, so take it up here so we can roll it downhill. Ew. Bucket down here so it doesn't decide it wants to go a whole lot further than it should. About there. This fluorescent orange or yellow jacket, I can see it in the camera in the windshield. Think we should go any further than that? Oops.
Oh,
Yeah, this stuff was so dry when we were putting it in, it's settling, but it's gone that far, and we've had a lot of rain. I was worried about it at first, but doesn't seem to be really settling any more than that. So when it has no moisture in it, I mean, we ran over it and ran over it and ran over it as we were putting it in. Ran the dump truck all over it, and it's still settled, so. There we go. Get the this corner kind of covered up. Got stumps here, and took the 80 and got the, well, we cut the one stump off. Actually cut both the stumps off instead of digging them out so we didn't have a big sinkhole. But really improved this corner, but now we got to get rock on it so we can utilize it. I think that spot kind of was gravel and just got mud on it, I think. Yeah, I would cover that. Oh, I don't want to drive out in this mud. It won't be too bad, but I got to back before we roll the fabric out. As long as I don't turn, it probably won't be too bad. I can backfill all of it, right? I don't remember if I left that open or if he redug that. Let's get a little bit more down here. Think about it, it's kind of self-leveling dirt. Not doing a whole lot here because there's a lot of stuff I could break. It's all brand new, and we know it's here. That's not sticking too bad to me. I think you better shovel the rest of it. I don't know if you watched my video of digging that trench, but I broke a lot of stuff, so.
This stuff's like pudding.
This stuff is like pudding. Wonder how it tastes. We got Cameron today. Haven't had Cameron in a long time. Good to see him. There's our first load of mud. Yeah, stuff looks muddy though, but it'll set up good. Let me conference with him for a minute. All right. Get this anchored down so it doesn't roll around on me. Today, maybe I'll have all that nasty mud out of my bucket. This stuff, it's muddy, but it doesn't stick. Get this done so he's got room to pull in here. Ain't dumping this out on the good gravel, but I didn't want him to back out on it until we had it firmed up a little bit. Pretty mucky. Sure, he's probably the first load of the day out of that pile, so it's been rained on, and we've had quite a bit of rain just the last few days. This is one place I do like the excavator over a skid steer, running out on this muddy stuff, tracking back and forth on it a bunch of times, just kind of agitates the mud. I can swing most of the gravel out and not have to get it all agitated. Still gonna have to drive on it and blade it, but not as much as I would with a skid steer. All right, I'll start blading. That's got me a good angle to scoop this up. Starting to be afraid that I was going to have two loads in here, but I think I can get it done with this one. This rock sets up pretty good. Don't like the politics of this rock yard, but they're a big corporation and they have all these stupid rules. But but they've got about the best rock around, so, uh-oh. Track out on the fabric, and keep my key. It'll set up though. Don't want to waste 2 loads in here, but about it. Still don't want anything driving right over on the edge there. As much of the big rock off the good gravel as I can. Alright. I think we can get by with 1 load. I think. Always get in trouble when I think. Alright, let's smooth that out. Bouncy. Coming out fairly decent, kinda. We'll walk it in and that'll improve on it. It's helped this corner so much getting this extended out. In there pretty good. Honk. More pass. What is rattling there? Okay, I'm going to walk this in, give it a wee bit of compaction. Alright, that's got it walked in, and we'll go up and start doing some up at top. For 3. Anchor down. Oops. There we go. This out of the way before he gets back, because it's not going to be able to get past it. Oops. Got a little deep there. A little shoveling on my bucket and got some of that nasty mud out of it. Yeah, earlier when Cameron got here, just before he got here with the first load, a woman driving a Ram pickup down the gravel road here, which is a 1-lane road, and I don't know how fast she was going, but she was going way faster than you should be going on this road. And Cameron met her down there, and it got kind of hairy there for a minute. Don't understand why people think they've got to drive so fast. I need 2 more loads. Yeah. Turn around here. One track looks really loose, but I've noticed when get a lot of mud built up on them, like I do right now, the tracks look pretty loose because I guess it's the added weight on the tracks because there's springs in the track tensioners, and it I think pulls against the springs harder. I don't know if I need another transfer load or not. It'd be good if I didn't. Save John some money, and I could go home earlier, which I'm fine with working, but like I'm going to need another transfer load. Really don't. Which I didn't do any calculating because it was kind of a spur of the moment thing. Called John to wish him a Merry Christmas and see if he was going to be around to give him a little something, and then all of a sudden we're doing some rocking. So love it when a plan comes together. Much of this big rock off the good rock because I can't. Ooh, I got way too deep. Got another gravel job for Thursday, so get little stuff trickling in. Oh yeah, one more box is gonna do it just fine. I haven't started heating my lunch up, man. That's okay. Or I might need it here. I like it here. Oops. Oh yeah, one more box is gonna do it just fine. Hey, we'll keep at it here. We got that fixed. Yeah. So that little tab, the lower latch gates, or the gate latches, if it isn't lined up just right, the bottom one doesn't catch the little actuator deal, and then it won't unlock the trailer tailgate. Somebody was asking the other day why these trucks have two tailgates. Well, the box that's in there right now is the trailer. That box slides inside the normal truck bed, so he pulls the trailer and he dumps the first box, and then he goes back, slides the trailer bed into the truck, and then can bring another load from a shorter distance. So that's why we have two tailgates. And away he goes. Really like working with Christian. Good kid. mud all covered up here. There's a few little squishy spots in there, but I have learned you let it sit for a little bit and it'll heal up. Amazing how that does that, but it does. So, well, everyone, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and go check my website out, reberpuredirt.com. So, everyone, have a Merry Christmas, and we will catch you after Christmas. So, we've got a job Thursday, and that video will come out Friday. So, everyone, take care.